get to work.
I hope that I inspire you to try something new.
I'm not saying I have a lot of expertise to give, but I do know how to bring out the best in others.
I love to show people how to make their life beautiful.
I want you to have fun. I also hope that maybe you'll learn something along the way.
Through this channel, you'll get to know me a little more. Hopefully there's some helpful tips to help you be a little bit more creative with your wardrobe.
I don't know everything about everything, but I know everything about what I know. How about that?
Being able to give ideas, I can't tell you how happy that makes me feel because I know it makes you happy.
I hope people discover something inspiring.
It's always best if it's simple and honest.
We need each other and to encourage each other. So in that, I am an expert.
We can do it together. You know what? I got strong elbows and shoulders, so y'all jump on either side and I'll be your guide through it. What do you say?